Hi and welcome to Protrader. Today I want to show you how to use the favourite scans. Basically when you do that they will sit under this little label here, favourite scans, and you'll have all the ones that you have labelled. These are mine. So to do them you go into whatever scan you're wanting to do. So say you want to choose a scan that is looking for dividends, so you go into fundamental scan. You then click on dividend yield. I want to find anything with more than 5% dividend, paying 100% franking. So I then go through and then I want to look for anything that's say from $5 to, I don't know, $20. So I'm going to scan that scan. Okay, 158. So then I'll go back in here, and I'm going, that will have saved. It's still $20. And I just then click on the save button. It looks like the old floppy disk, if anyone's old enough to remember what that looks like. Click on that, and now I can enter a name in, and I'm going to call it dividend scan and press save. That's basically it. So when I now go back into here, I can see my dividend scan there. Now you are only ever allowed to have 5 favourite scans. So now if I go to do another favourite and I'm going to look for these candles, I'm just pressing randomly, I'm not going to go into it. It won't let me, see that's greyed out, it won't let me save another scan. So to do that, I now need to go and delete one. Now this is where it comes in a bit tricky, is you have to remember where you've saved these, where these scans actually started from. So this one I know is in patterns and events. So I go into it and I select the scan that I want to delete, and it should come up showing it here, which it does. If it wasn't in patterns and events, I wouldn't be allowed to see the scan. Now you'll notice that my dividend scan is not there because I didn't do it in patterns and events. So if you can't find it, you need to go through each one and remember where it is. So you'll see these fundamentals. Now I only have the dividend scan there. Okay, so you just need to remember where your favourite scan is. Now to delete one, I want to have that, and then you've got the delete button, and you press on that cross and it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? And you press yes. I'm going to say no because I don't want to delete it, but that's how you delete it. Once you've deleted one, you're then able to go in and add a new one. And that's basically as simple as it is.